Alright guys, here is a quick analysis of EURUSD and GBPUSD. There is a new development in Iran conflict as Trump decided not to strike energy plants in Iran for at least 10 days, which has given more relief to the people who have been expecting the end of war sooner than later. However, the problem in the Strait of Hormuz continued and the are still, shipments are still in problem. So that's why you have seen recent moves of last 4 days, including today. It is still in favor of oil and is still in favor of dollar index and against EURUSD and GBPUSD. However, there is one thing we need to note that this entire move of 4 days, including today, couldn't break below the low of 23rd March. This whole price action has been happening inside the daily range of 23rd March, which is why we can understand that the bigger players are still waiting for further development in this negotiations, which may end into a peaceful outcome or which may lead to a prolonged negotiation or something pending. However, international pressures right now on the parties involved in the war is going to make sure that they do not continue so that the world can avoid the oil crisis. And right now, Trump is more adamant about negotiating and reaching a deal rather than anybody else in the world. So we need to at least see the price action to understand what probably can happen, how market is reacting to all those sentiments. Right now, there are still two groups. One which is thinking that this is not going to reach a deal and the escalation of the war is going to happen because Trump has been strengthening its military, and Iran and Israel has never stopped striking each other. Another group is thinking that they have paused and they have started negotiating, which already is a positive sign, which may lead to end of the war. Whatever happens, we need to focus on market reaction to all of these sentiments because nothing clear is going to happen very soon. So meanwhile, the sentiments are moving the market, sentiment related to the market. Which kind of traders are reacting to what kind of sentiment is more important than anything else right now. So we need to see whether it closes below low of 23rd March or not. Apart from these factors, which is affecting dollar index, consequently affecting EURUSD and GBPUSD, another factor is from UK that the retail sales has improved compared to the forecast today. And another fact, and there is a factor from Europe today that the deficit in GDP reduced in the France, which is one of the largest economies in the Europe. So these factors may help euro and pound. And if the Strait of Hormuz opens or if the sentiment towards peace establishment increases in the market, we can see bounce in the EURUSD and GBPUSD. So let's wait for the closing of the day and see whether it closes below low of 23rd March or not. And if we see any price action on 4-hour time frame to the upside, we'll try to enter buy. Or else if these pairs closes below the low of 23rd March, we will simply enter sell. That's all. Thanks for watching.